good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with this wig that I received from Unice here on Amazon. It's a highlight brown tone wig, and yeah, I was really feeling it, so I'm gonna show you guys my first impressions and me installing it and all that good stuff. So this is me opening the box. Pardon my background, I had a lot going on. I was bleaching this other wig and I was about to take a trip. But yeah, the box, it came with the wig, of course, as expected. Came with some lashes and a wig cap and a paper that had like a discount on it. So I need to find that because I kind of lost it. So my first impressions of this wig, it looked so beautiful outside the box. I really liked the color. It was something I've never tried before, so I was so excited. So from the box, I washed the wig and I also deconditioned the wig. But I did not bleach the knots, nor did I pluck it, because it came with a cap inside of the lace, as you can see right here. So I didn't see a need for me to bleach it or anything. Maybe I'll do a little bit of plucking, but yes, as you can see, it's a closure wig. Interesting. So it's like 4x4. And yeah, I was so excited because I just wanted to add like a elastic band to it so it could be like, you know, a throw-on wig. So on this part, I'm gonna do a mini get ready with me. But anyways, the wig is from Amazon. So, and it was Prime, baby. Y'all know about Prime. Prime come in 2 days, so that wig can't quit. It was already on my door by the time I pressed order, okay? But yeah, so no complaints there. Communication with the seller was pretty nice. But yeah, as I say, like, this is a wig given to me by Unice Hair. So with the making it look nice part, so I go in with the She's Bomb wax stick and I push everything back where the lace is, and then I go with my hot comb and I comb it out till it's flat. But as you can see here, I'm plucking out like excess hairs, just a little bit of plucking, nothing too serious, you know. It didn't really do much. I did like 4 plucks. You might see my roommate in the background. Yeah, but yeah, I just did a little bit of plucking. Here is where I go in with my hot comb, baby. When I tell you the hot comb and the wax, life, okay? I can't even explain how good it looks with the hot comb and the wax. That's the 2 main things you need to have like a really flat middle part, a hot comb and the wax, period. Also, I know that which one is good too? The Edge Booster wax is also a good wax. My roommate has that wax and it's also a good wax. I don't know which one I prefer yet, but this is a pretty good wax too. So I'm just flattening out my part and I'm plucking as needed. Since I didn't bleach the knots, there were knots, but I just put concealer on top of it and everything was fine. Here, I'm going in with my Got To Be, and I'm just gonna lay it for a while so my wig doesn't like slip back or anything. So my wig could be a little bit more stable on my forehead. I went with Got To Be gel and then a little bit of spray, because I feel like that combo just, you know, seals the deal, okay? And to make sure my roots were on flat, I used my elastic band to tie my wig and make sure the Got To Be does its magic on my little head, okay? So I'd say after like 5 minutes, I take off the elastic band and this is what I'm working with. And it kind of look crazy, but we're gonna fix that. So it's time to cut the lace. I recommend that you take your time, especially if you're going in with the scissors, to make it more jagged. So I just pull on it and yeah, like I just make it really a jagged of a cut so it will be seamless to your skin. People gonna be like, what lace? That's your real hair. Just like that, okay? That's what you want. Now I'm going in with even more wax stick and I'm just waxing the areas that I want to be on flat. So really I'm focusing on the front, near my part, and a little bit like on the back. By the way, I got this hot comb from Amazon. It's A1. I got it for like $24, I think. But yeah, it's my favorite hot comb of all time. Now it's time for the edges. So of course you can leave it edgeless, but I decided to add some edges. And first I pull out the little hairs I want to put as edges, of course. And if I pluck, like if I see it's too thick, I'll pluck a little bit. But honestly, I just use a mixture between the edge booster and the Got To Be gel on my edges. You can also use mousse and whatnot, but I feel like that mixture was just perfect for letting my hair fly and moving it the way I want it to move. Also, I'm pretty weird. I like swooping and then cutting my edges, so I make sure it's like perfect and I don't have to like re-swoop or nothing. But that's just me. That's how I prefer to lay my edges. Yo, my face looks so mean. I'm sorry. When I'm focused, I just make these faces. My apologies. Wow! My background also looks pretty crazy, but that's just a bucket of stuff that I have on my bed right there. But yeah, I decided to straighten my hair instead of curl it because I haven't had my hair straight in a while. And this hair straightened really good. It's body wave hair, so I expected it to like, you know, be silky straight. And this hair is really nice. Like I'm telling you, like no shedding. Also, I could just glide my fingers right through the hair. Like I really love this hair. My first impressions, this wig is A1. I would really like to thank Unice Hair for giving me this wig. I really like the color. On that note, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I do giveaways. Turn on that notification bell. Help your girl out. And yeah, check out my Instagram because I probably posted some flick ups that I did with this hair. All details and socials should be listed in the description box below. And don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think. See you on the next video. Bye.